Lots going on in the weather world, and we'll get to the tropics in one moment. But just quickly, it was a pretty nice day across Vero Beach, and much of the area saw a little more sunshine than yesterday. Not purely sunny, but not a bad day, and a gorgeous little sunset there, even if it did come an hour earlier than last night. Well, on Viper radar, just a few tiny showers right now across St. Lucie County, and a few very, very light showers there between Lake Worth Beach and Boynton Beach. But those are just nuisance showers. That's all we expect tonight. Temperatures still low 80s near the East Coast, but inland already cooler, 75 degrees for the folks in Okeechobee. Now tonight we'll dip down to the mid 70s near the coast, low 70s Treasure Coast, and near 70 degrees near Okeechobee. So those beach breezes keeping us more moderate. Yeah, let's talk about the tropics. This is the big story. We have 90% chance of potential tropical cyclone number 8 developing into a named system in the next day or so. Next name on the list is Rafael. Now, this area of low pressure across the southeastern Bahamas will likely just be absorbed into the energy of this system, as it is the stronger system. All right, so we also have subtropical storm Patty way out in the eastern Atlantic, and it is headed towards Portugal and portions of Spain. So in the southwestern Caribbean, this is what we have: an area of low pressure developing, max winds at 35 miles per hour, moving to the northeast at 7. Let me show you the spaghetti models, and you can see that they're in better consensus now as it is moving to the northeast, but by tomorrow taking that turn more to the northwest, and that's going to put it into the Gulf of Mexico, where conditions not as favorable for development. So we do expect some weakening by the time it gets into the Gulf, but it will emerge over Cuba likely as a Cat 1 hurricane and then weaken to a tropical storm. That's Friday. So we're in fairly good shape, but our moisture will be increasing, and we'll have a tight pressure gradient keeping breezy winds across our area all week long. So here's where the watches are: hurricane watch for the Cayman Islands and a tropical storm warning for Jamaica. So Vipercast showing that low pressure developing, staying to our west, but as you can see, just generally we're going to have a lot more moisture into place Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Add to it the winds gusting upwards of 37 miles per hour in Boca by the time we get to Tuesday morning. Waves accordingly will be right around 10 feet. So lots of marine advisory, small craft advisory through Wednesday, high risk of rip currents, as well as a high surf advisory through Wednesday. Now rain the next day, not a big deal on Monday, similar to what we saw today, but late Tuesday into Wednesday, that is when we're going to start to see that moisture rolling through, and at times some storms possible, as well as heavy amounts of rain. Tonight, mild, breezy, 76, and here is a look at your 7-day forecast. Temperatures staying near average. Tuesday, election day, we do have a 60% chance of rain along with a few storms. Wednesday, periods of rain, and then we get back to normal Friday into next weekend.